As you can see here, I'm on my phone, right? And we're gonna go to Chrome, whatever you're using. I mostly use Chrome, and what we're gonna do is go here. I'm gonna type in Aptoide right there. Aptoide. We're gonna type in that. As you type in that, you're gonna go to Aptoide.com. Obviously, I already have the app, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hold on, let me just clear that. And what you're gonna do is go to here, click install Chrome, obviously, because I already installed it, and it's ready for you. Either way, I already have Chrome, but it should tell you. You see, there it is. Now, either way, I'm gonna cancel it. So let's say you download it. Okay, you click OK, obviously. And once you do that, you already download it. There it is, Aptoide. Aptoide released a dark theme, which I like, and then I'm gonna show you how to, put it. You go here, and then you go. It's loading. It's loading. Bro, what? Okay, it's loading, and you go to. Actually, you go here. Go to settings, and there's a dark theme. There it is, dark. Obviously, I'm gonna keep dark. Alright, I'm actually happy they added dark theme because it saves battery for your device. And you can search, anyway, you can search up 7 Deadly Sins or 7DS. No, grab DS. Click that. Loading. There it is. 7 Deadly Sins Grand Cross. Obviously, they released an update, which I have. Yeah, they update this thing. Yeah, there it is, 7 Deadly Sins Grand Cross, and as you can see, it's open, which means I have the game. You click, there's supposed to be a sign that says install. You click it, you wait, and it's going to take you to this page. Let me show you an example. Let me show you an example of this. Let's say I want to do this, install this. You see, it's going to take you to here, and you're going to click install. But imagine this thing right here. Imagine this. That, this as the 7 Deadly Sins and the name, and then done, and then boom, it's there. Which I don't even need this app, so cinema, camera, I don't need this app either way. Disable, gone now either way, and that's how you do it. Okay, and boom, there it is, 7 Deadly Sins. And well, that's it. That's all you do. That's all you do for this video. Yeah.